These are the ingredients that we need in our stir-fried tom yum goong. Magpakulo na tayo ng tubig. Ilagay na natin yung galanggal, lime leaf or kaffir lime, at yung lemongrass. Pakuluan natin siya, strain, and set aside. Lulutuin na natin yung noodles. You can use kahit anong noodles na gusto nyo. Pwede yung bihon or yung fresh noodles. Para updated po kayo sa iba pang recipe, yung mga simpleng lutong bahay, please do subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment your views. Salamat! Yung nilagay ko po na yan is yung tom yum paste. Add on the vegetables like mushroom and bean sprout. Ilalagay na din natin ang ating seasoning na patis, fish or fish sauce, white sugar, and black pepper. At yung ating mga herbs like green onion and cilantro. Pwede kayong gumamit ng calamansi or lemon. So, our stir-fried tom yum goong is ready to serve. Tcharan! Thank you for watching!